It is Christmas Eve Eve. The reason why Christmas Eve Eve is so important in our household is Christmas Eve we usually spend with my side, and then Christmas Day we spend with Nathan's side. So Christmas Eve Eve is just about me and
Whee!
we have everything set up for Christmas.
I'll be home for
On today's agenda, we're gonna take our couples photos and then we're gonna cook 닭도리탕.
Ayo. We are wearing these fun socks that we got from our friend Josh for Christmas. You can see here my face and Yuna's face. We're gonna take our Christmas photos in these.
We're on to dinner. Dinner tonight is maybe?
닭도리탕!
That's right. So I've been following this recipe. I have watched the video like 7 times. I'm pretty sure I can get this right, but if not, we live 3 minutes from Mod Pizza. Nathan, do you want to help me be my sous chef or do you want to catch more Pokemon?
I want to be your sous chef. I'm sorry, I'm just getting these version exclusives.
I'm so proud of you.
No, don't be proud
He
of
has
me.
caught 365 Pokemon out of 400. While he's catching that, 닭도리탕 is apparently very easy. I can do it. Doesn't have a lot of ingredients, has a few vegetables, and most important, skinless, bone-in chicken thigh and chicken legs. We couldn't find thigh, so we're going with all legs. Nathan is a leg man anyway, so yahoo! When we got married, my aunt from Korea bought us these matching aprons. Now we can act like we're actually a cooking couple. But guess how many times we eat out a week?
Don't say it.
I know a cool thing about these aprons is when your hands are wet, there's these princess. Babe, are your hands wet?
No.
Now are they wet?
Yes.
How do you wipe it?
닭도리탕. 닭도리탕. Okay, I see you.
That's already done. This is all it takes. Potatoes, green onions, carrots, peppers, garlic, and teeny tiny ginger.
Come on, rice dude.
Welcome to the Lee's kitchen where we heat things, but we never cook them. Until today. Vegetables. Done. I think the hardest part about cooking is opening containers. Should I use my teeth?
Don't use your teeth. Just give me 1 second.
Biceps. Hey! Look at this mince action.
Call me the mince master.
Alright, chicken is in. So whenever we make rice, we always make 3 cups for us. And I told Nathan, since we're eating 닭도리탕, to make 4 cups. And he is currently Googling right now what to do if you put too little of water, because he did 4 cups of rice, but he thinks he did 3 cups of...
I'm not sure.
So we did 4 cups of rice,
We will find out. We'll find out in 7 minutes.
possibly 3 cups of water. So we'll have mucho al dente rice. Worst case.
Moment of truth. Oh, I think I did 4. That's fine.
I knew it! I
Oh,
called
thank
it!
God. Ah! How are you feeling, Chef?
I feel great right now. Everything raw is getting less raw. Nothing is burnt.
Hey, yo, what are you doing?
The last step are adding the potatoes. You wanna know a fun fact about potatoes?
Yes.
80% water.
Really? 20% what? Oh, dang, look at that. It's
And
coming
they all
together.
live shoulder to shoulder. No social distancing here. Get cuddly. 10 minutes until we eat.
Hallelujah.
I'm tending to my flock.
Dog.
I had to Google what simmer meant.
Wait, what? Alright, cut.
I can't believe that came out of our kitchen. Test.
Alright, I'm just gonna go in. Oh, perfectly cooked. Yes!
Yes!
Oh wow, that's actually really good.
I'm so happy.
Wait, baby, you gotta try it. Alright, the chef must try her own work.
Wow, my mouth is watering.
Oh, dang. Nice.
I made this. Master Chef.
Master
Oh
Chef.
wow.
Alright, chef. Please. Perfect. Say hello to lunch tomorrow.
Christmas Eve road trip. We're going down to my parents' house in Centralia, and thrice times this week alone. Not to mention all of the other times I told Nathan the previous weeks, but 3 times this week. All I asked of Nathan was, can you make sure you grab my parents' Christmas card? And thrice he said yes. But guess where we are? We were well on our way on I-5, and then we had to turn around because Nathan forgot the Christmas card.
I dropped it.
Did you just drop the Christmas card?
The Christmas card is okay.
Is it wet?
Just like a little damp.
I think it's okay. Good job. My mom is getting ready. She's getting dressed for picture day.
Picture day.
Nice outfit. Looks great.
너 요즘 찍은 그 교회에서 찍은 거 청바지 아주 이쁘다. 이렇게 탁 하고 찍으니까
아래는 안 나와. You look like you're 45.
Thank you so much.
What's your secret?
Well, happy
Oh.
life.
Happy life, happy wife.
I have a good wife.
Your bun?
It's pretty solid. It's a messy bun, but
Let's sit it around. Okay. Okay.